In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through setting up GoCV with Cuda support for maximum performance. We initiate the process by utilizing the go-get command to fetch the GoCV package. When attempting to install OpenCV, I encountered an issue with the 13.94 library, as Ubuntu had updated to a more recent version. To address this issue, I updated the Makefile to use the available version of the library. There was an issue with the Makefile due to it calling for a cmake argument that wasn't quite right. Fortunately, I fixed it by editing the Makefile and removing that particular argument. If the process fails due to missing Cuda or CuDNN, you can find helpful videos about it in the description. After completing the necessary steps, execute the command make install Cuda to proceed further. The GoCV program will give you information on the version you just installed, as well as displaying specs of your graphics card and Cuda information. Verify the functionality of your setup by watching this video tutorial.